Welcome to Gift Naturals and DIY. Are you tired of struggling with hair loss and slow growth? Get ready to unlock the secrets to long and lustrous locks. In this video, I will review the powerful benefits of star anise and fenugreek seeds for hair growth, from stimulating blood flow to nourishing your scalp. These ancient remedies will transform your hair care routine. So make sure to watch this video to the end if you are ready to unleash your hair's full potential. Our first ingredient is fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds contain nicotinic acid, which stimulates hair growth and strengthens hair follicles. Fenugreek seeds contain protein, which help increase hair thickness. Fenugreek seeds contain antioxidants that help repair damaged hair and reduces split ends. Our second ingredient is star anise. Star anise stimulates blood flow to the scalp, promoting hair growth. Star anise contain antifungal and antibacterial properties that help control dandruff, itchiness, and other scalp issues. Star anise helps reduce hair fall by strengthening hair roots. Moving on, grab a clean jar. Add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed. Add 2 to 3 seeds of star anise. Add hot water. Stir and allow to sit for 1 to 2 hours. This is to allow the nutrients get into the water. Guys, this combination is very powerful and potent for hair growth. Have you ever tried this combination? If not, give it a try and let me know the outcome in the comment section. So after 2 hours, this is the outcome of the ingredients in the water. Guys, it is so rich. Go ahead and sieve out the water with a cheesecloth. Transfer to a container and our powerful potent hairspray is ready. How to apply this hairspray to your scalp? First, section your hair into different parts. If you're on protective hairstyle, just go ahead and apply this hairspray from the tips of your hair to the roots of your hair. Then massage and don't forget to apply your hair butter and sealant. Guys, this hairspray is very potent and powerful if you are struggling with hair loss and slow growth. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share with your family and friends. Also, subscribe for more natural hair care secrets and tips. Bye!